My son's spraying seaweed kelp extract onto the trees. Hey, you just hit me. Now I'm gonna smell.
Like what?
Say, smell like what? Smell like the ocean.
What?
Okay, mommy's knocking on the door. Hello everyone. This is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm gonna show you my pomegranate tree that has been in the ground for about 6 years now, and what the effect of heavy wood chip mulching and fish emulsion and seaweed buried into the ground has done for this pomegranate that's coming up. And here's Lulu checking out the pomegranate tree, saying, wow, this grew a lot of fruit I could just pick off and play with. Yeah, thanks Lulu. Okay, so here's a pomegranate, nice and full. This has grown the most I've ever seen in a beginning of a season. We're at May 1st right now, and it just begun flowering about a week ago. But I'm going to show you all the flower buds that I can show you because it's kind of tight around the corner over there to get around the tree. I'll show you that right now. So now I'm going to pan up for you so you can see all the flowers that this tree produced. Now imagine 360, this tree has produced these many flower buds. Isn't this astonishing? Look at this. That's crazy. Now what I did last year is I doubled down on wood chips underneath this tree. I buried a lot of seaweed. I used seaweed kelp extract. And I think there's one little extra thing that happened that was new compared to years prior. Many of you that are subscribed to my channel know that I started a compost pile last year, more than usual. I usually just have little piles here and there instead of one massive one. I used to have a tree stump here and I pretty much burned it to the ground, and I piled about 2 feet deep underground and 3 feet high of all types of wood chips and fish heads and fish bodies, tails, guts, everything, apple cores, banana, whatever else can go in the compost pile. And many of you might remember how big the mushrooms were around this compost pile. Well, since this compost pile has been here, I have never seen so much growth in my flavor grenade pluot and the production of fruit of the flavor grenade pluot as well. Also, I've never seen a production of flowers from this pomegranate unnamed variety from my late great aunt. And I'm just amazed by how many flowers this has produced. Lulu, what are you doing? I mean, just look at the branches. They can't even, used to never be like this, that they can't even stand up for themselves. I've never thought I may have to prune flowers before. I mean, look at this guy. I never thought I'd have to prune flowers. I'm not going to, but I mean, all these branches are just hanging down. Oh, there's a little dog crying in the corner. They're buddy, Lulu and that dog. So another testament for the use of heavy wood chip mulching, seaweed kelp extract, foliar feeding, fish emulsion, and composting provides dramatic results in your garden. I'm loving this. This is amazing. Alright everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.